Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Good Animation. Today I want to show you how you can create 3D guitar by SVG format. As I told you before how you can do it, but now we have different SVG file that I wanted to import to the Blender skin and make 3D by that. So you can go to the file in the toolbar in the up and select the import and select the scalable vector graphic or SVG format. So I'm going to the picture in here and select this. Yes, you have see that now. Yes, this guitar that flat or 2D currently. Now I'm delete this white background and this. So I'm select this wireframe to see everything so clear for executed or inflation. For example, I'm select this body of guitar. I'm going to the object data properties and coming down to geometry and select the 002. Yeah, very good. And we have see this change. If you want, you can bring up lot of, for example, 6. Yeah, very good. It's better. Now again, come back here and select this and execute this 061. If you see this, that's me and X executed, and I'm bring up a lot of, yeah, you have seen now, and a lot of smooth. And change resolution. So it's good. Now it's time I'm going on the another part of this guitar. I'm select the Z to going up and see everything so clear and without anything that chaos. You don't see this part. So I'm select this and execute it to the 101 0.0061. Yeah, executed this, very good. And now I'm bring up lateral to see better. Now again I'm come back to the wireframe mode and executed this wire. Yeah, very good. Amazing. I think it's be better. No, it's good and better. Other letter is coming up to see this better. Now it's time I'm select this. Two, three. Yeah. And two is so more. 1, 2 is good. You want to is this size is better. Yeah. You can see this That's so you can make this so easy. Very good. Now I'm select all of this to bring up. As you can see, this that we make is 3D by SVG format. So if you want it, you can add a lot of inflation to this. For example, like this. Very good. I'm select very good. Yeah, it's make this so cute and realistic and so soft, a lot of, and you can change this to in the depth method that you have seen this. Now guys, our guitar is ready, but I'm select the A. Yeah, all of this item that we have in here, and take us on the keyboard to big that. Now it's time we need to the plan. Take A on the keyboard and select the plan. Yeah, very good and amazing. And bring this to the left and select this guitar again to rotate in the front. Yeah, very good. Amazing. Now it's time I'm bring this plan under this guitar. Yeah, very good. And then take tab on the keyboard to go into edit mode and select this line to make a wall and background for this. Yeah, take E to execute this line, but you should bevel this line to look like better in your picture. I'm going to modifier and select the add modifier and generate and bevel. So change the segment. Yeah, it's good, and take shade auto smooth. It's look like better. Now it's time we should give material to this plan. Going to the material properties and select the new and going to the shading here and select this. Every color that you want it. You can make this glassy or every mood that you want, and select going to the rendering here and select the cycle and change the device to the GPU. And it's time you can take Shift A on the keyboard to select light and bring that to up and take us to keyboard to make big size, and then going to the data object data properties and change power number to the 300 or 300 is so much to, I think it's 50 is be good, but you can select all of parts that you have in here on the scheme. To make your guitar is so big. You take us the keyboard. If you want it, you can make two guitar for yourself render our image. So I'm coming down a little. Take S on the keyboard to beat that. Now we have 3D guitar by the SVG format. Now you can setting your camera by take Ctrl Alt 0 on the keyboard to camera come into your location and select this frame. Take G on the keyboard to change your position. Now everything is ready to make your pictures. So I'm select this render image in here to render our image and 3D model. As you have seen this 3D model, my friend, is made by 2D image or SVG format that I'm brought in the Blender skin and become to the 3D object, but by every tools that Blender have for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are enjoy of that. You can make this for yourself by the simple and so easy and take enjoyable for yourself. This is so easy and you can make for yourself as I told you. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are share this video to your friend. Please don't forget to subscribe and like to another video. Goodbye.